high-end fiber optic fusion splicer, core alignment technology with autofocus and 6 motors, industrial quad-core CPU enables fast responses and synchronous operation, 10 languages available for switching, 7800 mAh large capacity battery with 3.5 hours charging time. New accessory and tutorial video included. We made over 30 tutorial videos to help you make most use of your AI-9 Fusion Splicer machine. We also provide newly designed 4-in-1 wire stripper and plier in the toolbox. 5 seconds splicing and 15 seconds heating time, working efficiency increased by 50% compared to ordinary fiber splicing machines. AI-9 Fiber Fusion Splicer has 3-in-1 fiber holder, suitable for SM, MM, bare fiber, pigtail, rubber insulated, multi-fiber cable.